I just want to make a quick message to somebody that has been harassing my family, saying all sort of things about my younger ones and the family for no reason. I may use Bini, I may use Pidgin English to just make it easy for everybody to understand. I'm sending this message directly to Kelvin Olakoko Talk Show. My brother, I'm just coming back from church and I said, let me do this quick one because somebody drew my attention to the video you are doing about my own younger brother again. Not Ebony this time. Prince Eni Obasui. The one Ebony is senior. You are bringing him out again on your media. I just want to tell you something, Olagwe. Please, if you know you are watching this video, please share it after you have watched it and listen to me very carefully. Olakoko, I have called you before when you came out to be speaking about my younger sister Ebony. I talked to you one-on-one, but you said okay, you've heard me. But at the end, I didn't follow you up. But people keep on like drawing me back to your videos, and they send them to me. This guy is saying all this about your sister. My brother, when you start this whole thing before, let me load this music in my car. When you start this whole thing before, I think say maybe na normal saga go come, saga go go. Have a well. But I've seen it like it's a personal thing, the way you are doing it right now. I don't want to insult you, I don't want to threaten you or whatever. No, I'm not called for that today because I just finished praying to God. Kevin Olagwe, this is a message to you. I know they will send it to you. My brother, too much of everything is bad. And I would like to advise you to back off from the issue concerning the Obasui family. It's so painful that you are far from me. You are in Scandinavia, you are in Sweden. If not, this matter for not reach today. I know how to deal with people like you. You know, all those your phone, all those your computer, wait till they do all those things. They will not bring that come for me since I may not even go there. It's a fact. I'm not bragging. You feel say I dey make mouth, but people that really knows me, you can ask them. Except say come out for house, go bar, go African shop, go party, go burial, go birthday. Bros, Italy and Nigeria. Say you were in Roma before. You know the way they play for this country. If I'm doing you, I know will run. No. If I do, I will wait. I will even call police by myself because I have gathered a lot of evidence against you. I will hand over everything to the police and they will go and do their investigation. You take your lawyer, I take my lawyer. But that one is not possible now because road far. Bros, I wish my hair you did. I don't silence you since, bros. I don't zip that your mouth from the beginning. I don't silence you, Oga. You may not believe it, but it's a fact. So, bro, right now we have decided to take a legal way of dealing with you. So, the law enforcement agencies will start up with your case in the first week of March. They'll be monitoring your Facebook, and you will be ready to always come to court. Any date and time when a fixed court date put, you will have to come and defend yourself. Because enough is enough. You have pushed us to the wall. Ebony will be quiet all this while because she know they listen to you. That is the truth. Ebony know they hear with you, they talk. She's so busy. She's pursuing her career. Now me tell her, say, I don't even watch because if you are watching all those things, to making you get angry. So she don't watch you. She doesn't even know what you are saying. I want you to know that. Before I was thinking maybe because of you are taking it for like the saga. Every other person that says something about what she did or what she didn't do, whatever, everybody don't rest. But you say you don't agree. Olakoko, look me well. You have pushed us to the wall and we are going to take a legal action against you. What they pay me now? People will suffer because of this your negligence. Even though do a day, what do I problem? If police or law enforcement agencies or whatever they take up this issue, you there abroad, they will start with your family. Who know how long it doesn't give your family money reach, either your brother or your sister or your auntie or your uncle. After we do our findings, when they will come go home to take connect with you, say court to bring paper for you. Who know how long you have sent them money? Now they are the pitiful. But we have to do what we have to do. You through with Ebony, you come to the younger brother, and only you do social media, Oga, you be Superman, what did they happen? Everybody where they watch me now, if you are in my shoes, how would you feel when somebody will just come out because of your sister? Except you don't have love for your family. Since December, every day this guy they come out. January, throughout February, even as I'm talking to you now, somebody drew my attention to his video about my younger brother. Olakoko, maybe I'll do one. Obama years old, so you call my brother. People where they call you now, they give you information, bro. See where courts give you paper, they don't go follow you constant. They don't follow you constant. Why not just enter house, allow the sleeping dogs to lie? Though I didn't blame you, I still look and say, if you not bring my sister name or my family name on your platform, people don't come. Nobody is watching you. If they do Okiri community, what you they talk, nobody watch you, you know? Nobody's watching you. But when you come with Ebony or the family name, everybody want to come. But you forget, say now, fake account, most people say they watch you, my guy. They are watching with fake account. How many of your followers you know in person? Man of the truth, Omatie, Olakoko, Omatie. My brother, wise for yourself. Use wisdom. Enough is enough. You are going more than expectation. This is not all about Ebony now. This is somebody that have sold my sister or my family to you. But I will tell you, you are going to pay dearly for it. If you win this case, you will go scot-free. But if you lose, my brother, you are going to cry. You are going to beg. Nobody's killing you. Maybe not get me wrong. Oh, this is media. In as far as the law enforcement agencies are involved in this matter now, I will not see anything like threat or whatever. You have stepped on the toes of a lot of people. You have accused a lot of people of murder. You don't accuse people, say they kill people, this and that. Those ones, they are waiting for you on your own. If anything happens to you, whatever, not be we do them. We are going to use a legal law against you. I'm going to use the law. But you pay me, say, I know if you see you in person, bros, you go, hey. If I see you in person, this matter for now will come to live video. So, I don't want to talk much, but they pay me, say, man, I know if you see you, bros. You can go and use me to do live video tomorrow. Keep this video. I've come to advise you. Stay clear from problem. If you ever come out on media this month of March, with my family name, the agencies are watching you. And we have a lot of evidence already from your past video is with us. So I wish you all the best, my brother. If you want to stop, you stop. If you don't want to stop, continue. The word they say is enough for the wise. Thank you and God bless everyone. Please share this video. Make sure it reach Kelvin Olakoko. The account you brought out, First Bank account, I have all the information that you are using to beg money on media. Maybe if they can get to that person, they will get to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.